So a while back, I was out hiking and I came across a sign for rattlesnakes that I thought was kind of interesting, so I took a picture of it with my phone. That picture turned out terribly. The sign was a bit high up, so it's poorly framed, it doesn't tell a story, and it's just objectively a bad picture. But I was like, what the heck? So I uploaded it to a stock photography site, and within a couple months, I had made $4 off this picture. And look, $4 is not a ton of money, but it got me thinking, if a picture this bad can make real money on stock photography, there's gotta be an economical supply and demand type of approach to making passive income off stock photography with little or no photography skills. So over the past year or two, I've created a very pragmatic approach to stock photography that at this point makes me about $500 a month. And look, I'm not making fine art here, okay? I'm taking very basic pictures of things that are in demand that people will pay real money for. So if you're looking for a source of passive income that doesn't require a lot of time learning a new skill set, it doesn't require a lot of money and startup capital, stock photography is the way to go. And in this course, I will show you my very straightforward approach to making real money off stock photography that you can use with your iPhone or any camera in full auto settings. So if you're ready for some easy passive income, let's get started.